Hi everyone.
Hello.
Are we waiting for more
Class.
people to join?
So, who's taking the class actually? Ma'am, have joined the class?
Oh, I'm also a student, so I don't know exactly.
Okay. I think she didn't join yet.
Okay.
Hi everyone. Can you hear me?
Hi. Yeah, I can hear
Hello.
you.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Okay. So today and tomorrow we'll have some initial classes. Actual classes will start from Tuesday. Okay? Yeah, 18th. Today will be the demo session, but tomorrow we'll have initial class like basic Excel. Okay. Okay. Why do you want to learn Excel? Okay, you're not working for job.
Afterwards, I'm just looking into it. But
Okay.
at present, I'm looking for my business purpose.
Okay, fine. Okay. Which business?
I'm dealing with the water purification.
Acha, okay. Fine. What about you?
Job purpose.
Job purpose. You are a fresher. So did you work with Excel? You have some knowledge on Excel?
No.
No, you did not use the application at all. Okay. Any of you are freshers from this batch? Like Sai, Teja, Mohammed, Rani.
So I have 1 year experience, so I'm just wanna learn more
Okay.
advanced function. So yeah.
Okay, great. What about others? Have some knowledge on Excel application?
Yes, I used to work on the Excel because, I have 7 years of experience actually. But due to the certification, I need the certification on Excel. The reason I've joined the class. I know a bit of Excel, the pivot, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, etc.
Okay.
But in depth, I don't know, and I need certification. The reason I'm joining.
Okay, great. For certification purpose, you are learning Excel.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
hi Devi. I cannot connect through my laptop. Can you please send me the ID?
ID?
Yeah, the Zoom ID link, it's not working.
Okay, just give me a second. Okay, can you, okay, can I
Okay, just a second.
Can
Let
I
me.
paste here?
Yeah, sure.
This is
Just
just the link, I guess. Let me give.
yeah, I had your old one.
Okay.
I'm trying to put it in.
So the meeting ID is 847-8262. 1 second. 847 8262 6241. This is the meeting ID.
Okay.
If it is asking for password,
Yeah, I'll put the password in. Yes. In the sure, sure.
878889.
Yeah, it's trying to connect. Let's see. In the meantime, I can, like clear my doubts. Like I'm in the job right now, and I work on the reporting,
Okay.
and I just pull the data from the database and then like transfer into Excel and then do it. But I really want to learn. I know basics, but I really want to learn from A to Z.
Okay.
Like, in the column, you will not have the dates, how to change the dates, and it's not taking. I don't know why it's not taking. But anyway, I have connected in my phone.
Okay.
It's just maybe next class I'll try to.
Yeah, if you are able to see the screen, that's fine for now. Just today is the demo session, right? So,
Right. Yeah, I would like to learn in detail about Excel. Like, want to be able to build the reports by myself.
Okay. Working on which database?
SQL,
SQL. Fine.
Microsoft SQL.
Okay, great. Okay.
But I would like to learn SQL also. I'm not good at that. I mean, I don't want to start too many things one time, but you need to suggest like what is the best thing for me, where I should start doing learning stuff.
No, you need to
Need
start
some
with Excel
guidance.
for any reporting, like if you want to work on data analysis, first thing you need to learn Excel only. Because
Right.
you may work with any tool, ultimately, sometimes, not sometimes, on each and every job role, they want to see the report in Excel finally. Or
Correct.
input you will get from Excel, you need to transform and you need to do some
Right.
modifications in the data by using some formulas, and you want to analyze the data using Excel. Why everyone want to use Excel only? Because that is easy for them to understand compared to other tools, right? That's why
Right.
compulsory that you may work with any database or any other reporting tool. First thing you need to learn Excel. That is the basic thing. Then you need to choose the next one. Okay, one
Okay.
database and advanced Excel is compulsory. Then
Okay.
for that Power BI or I mean, depend on the company also, they ask you for Power BI, Tableau or ClickSense. Okay.
Right.
But if you learn any one of the tool, similarly same for other also. If you know that, just you need to understand the application and you need to follow the same pattern in other applications also. Okay, fine.
Right. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, fine. Any other want to? No, then Salman, you are fresher? Are you working on Excel?
Hi, good morning.
Hi.
No, I'm not fresher. I have experience, but not in this data analysis domain. I
Okay.
have experience in technical support domain.
Okay.
So that's why I'm looking for this course.
Okay, fine. Okay, great.
Thank you.
Yeah. So let's start now. Why we use Excel? What is the use of Excel? Why we use Excel? What we will do then?
To analyze and present data.
Okay, tell me. Yeah, compilation. Okay.
To understand easily, more data we can understand in more table form something.
By creating some tables, okay. What else?
We can easily segregate the data in different rows and columns rather than having in a, like in a statement format.
Okay. First thing is to store the data. right? That is nothing but store data only, right? Store data in the form of tables. Okay. Second one is for calculation purpose. So we have as of today 522 formulas to calculate something. Okay, based on the requirement. The 520 formulas are segregated into different categories like date and time formulas. If you want to work with date and time related calculations, text formulas, logical formulas, information, mathematical, statistical, lookup and reference. Like this, we have some different categories. Okay. So as of today, we have 522 formulas, but we don't use all that formulas in real time for data analysis purpose. We require maximum 150 plus formulas. So you are going to learn that categories. Okay. Some engineering formulas, trigonometry formulas, all that won't require in real time. We never use them. Okay. So you are going to learn first category, date and time. Next one is logical, text category, some information functions, mathematical, statistical, and lookup and reference functions. These are the categories you are going to learn. Okay. So I'll tell you like how it looks. Okay. So you will have this complete whatever files you have here, everything you will get in the Google Drive. Will provide you access for this drive. So first thing, let me show you functions library. Here you will see functions by version wise and category wise. Suppose let me show you. I'll show you all the formulas, all the categories. This is updated as of 2016, but later 2019, 2021 released. And we have Excel 365 also. Okay, that formulas are not added here, but yeah, we will add and give you this file, updated file. So as of today, you have 522 formulas. So if I take 2003 Excel, you have 341 formulas. So these are by category wise. Okay, let me take 2007, 12 formulas. 12 formulas means 2003 formulas plus extra 12 formulas added from 2007. Okay, so that is what this filters show you. Some people, what they'll do, they try to use the formula which is in 2013, but they are using 2010. If they try to use, they can't see that, right? That's why we are giving this list so that you'll come to know that formula is available from which version. Okay. Other than that, suppose I did not explain that formula, but you want to use it somewhere. Just you can go to that particular formula. Let's take a cosine formula. You will see some description about the formula and syntax with some examples. Okay, you can learn if you want to know about some other formula. Okay, these are available by version wise as well as category wise. Suppose if I take date and time here, all the versions date and time formulas, it will show you all the versions. Are only 2003 date and time formulas you want to see, then it will show you like this. Okay, clear? Okay, fine. Suppose today I completed date and time formulas. Okay, then we will give you some tasks related to that. You will have a Excel tasks folder in the drive, Excel tasks. There you have level 1 assessment, level 2 basic test, some test papers. Okay, so if I go to suppose level 1 assessment, you can see 60 questions in level 1. Okay, total 60 questions. Okay, so okay, it is. Okay, so first 1 to 20 questions belongs to basic Excel. Okay, 21 to 40 are related to formulas. 41 to 60 related to tabs, all the tab options. Okay, so you will see question like this and the options. Some something like choosing one of the option from the list. From 21 onwards, you need to write some formulas with the data. Where you need to write and what is the requirement, you can see it here. Okay, these are 60 questions, level 1. Level 2, again, you will have again 60 questions. These are little complicated than level 1. Okay, and this is basic test and basic test only, some versions and the beginner questions. Like this, you have some test papers. And if you go to task folder inside the Excel task, these are related to formulas only by category wise. Okay, let's take date and time. Okay, so once we are done with the date and time, you need to practice this date and time related tasks. Okay, if you go to task 1, find out salary of your person based on the below information. This is the information available. So month is this, salary per month is some 25,000, leaves some 2 days, paid leaves 1. So what you need to do here, how many days we have in that month total, maybe 30, 31, whatever, that count you have to find out. Number of working days only from Monday to Friday, you need to calculate in that month. Okay, excluding Saturdays and Sundays. And number of holidays, and then salary per day, and leaves, final salary. That person will get how much? So like this, you will have some tasks. Okay, see, you can see a task 2. We have a age of a person, date of birth of a person. You want to see age till today in this format. Some 25 years, 10 months and 15 days. Okay, in this format. All these are based on only date and time formulas. Okay, so let's take one more example. We have a principal amount 20,000. Interest is 2 rupees on 100. Okay, 2 rupees per 100. This is per month. So start date is this and end date is this. What is the interest amount we need to pay from this date to this date? Okay. Task 7. Fixed salary 4,50,000. PF is 2% on the fixed. And we know that person joining date and relieving date. And what is the PF total PF amount that person will get? So these kind of tasks, these are purely based on date and time. Second category will be logical functions. So in logical functions, you will have tasks based on date and time as well as logical combinations. Okay. Third category, text. In text, you will have 3 category combination. Like that, at the end of the formulas part, if you go to lookup and reference will be the last category in formulas. Here, you will have all the formulas tasks, combinations. Okay. So here you will have some 33 tasks only on lookup and reference. Combination task. So total using all the categories only for formulas, you will have 150 plus tasks. Together, more than 300 tasks. I showed you some 60 level assessment, level 1 assessment, level 2 assessments, right? Including that, you will have more than 300 tasks. If you are good with that, you can do any task. Okay. So all we will discuss, just you need to practice the regular class first. Then by using these formulas, you need to apply the log. You should have some logical thinking also, okay? So using that, you need to complete the tasks. If you have any queries while practicing, you can ping in the WhatsApp group. We will create a WhatsApp group for your particular batch. Your batch number is B00656. B00656. Okay. So we will add your number in this WhatsApp group. If you have any queries, you can post in the group. I'll be available in the group. Or you can ask in the next day. You can show me what is your issue. You can share your screen and ask me your query. Okay, clear? Okay. Okay, how the flow, how we are going to learn, what is the flow when you are learning Excel? Okay, fine. Next, after storing data, calculation, and the final part is data analysis, analyzing the data. Analyze. Okay, these are the 3 things we are going to do in Excel. First one is to store the data. Second one is for calculation purpose, and third one is to analyze the data. I'll tell you one by one. You will come to know what is this analyze. I'll show you with example. Okay. So what you are going to learn, first we'll start with home tab. Okay. So in home tab, first thing is you need to understand about the numbers. Okay. Learning about Excel is nothing but learning about numbers. In the entire Excel, maybe you will work with text related data, all that also, but ultimately the calculations we do with the numbers only. Okay. So what are the data types available in Excel? How to transform one number into different format? Let me tell you, suppose I have number 1. Okay. So, okay, I'll show you. Okay, this will be your training file about Excel, why Excel, and history of Excel spreadsheet, from which version it is available, and who are the competitors for Excel, and terminology of Excel, object model of the Excel. Okay, and file types, how to save that file, what is the difference between each and every extension, and what are the extensions and how many rows and how many columns we have in each version. Okay, and how big is your worksheet. That is the basic thing. And in the initial class itself, I'll tell you what is the difference between each version. From 2003 to 2007, what are the features added? 7 to 10, 10 to 13. Okay, you'll come to know what are the extra features added. Okay, and how many formulas we have in each version. So you'll have that. Excel UI. First, we will try to understand this UI. What do you have in home tab? These are called tabs, and this is the ribbon. And what is this? What is this? What we'll call this? And quick access toolbar. What we'll call this? Okay, just we'll try to understand the application first. That is the UI. And this is about quick access toolbar. And you'll understand the keyboard shortcut keys. Here you have the list, but when the situation comes, once we are done with the particular topic, you'll come to know shortcut key also for all the options. Okay. And then, yeah, data types. After completing initial basic things, we are going to learn about the data types. What are the data types available and how to convert a number from one format to another format. So if you take any number, suppose I'll take number 1. If you see 1 in general format, 1 is 1 only. But in number format, 1 you can see like this 1.00. Okay, in currency format, you will see with the dollar symbol. In accounting format, this one is different. Date format, one is different. Time format, one is different, and percentage format, one is different. Okay, if it is a fraction, then one is different. See, 0.5 is 0.5 only in general format. But in fraction format, you can see that 0.5 like 1/2. Correct? So how to convert, how to show from one format to another format is number format. So these are the number formattings you are going to learn. Okay, fine, it is showing in the currency format, one is showing one only with dollar symbol, but I want to see, can you close it completely? Others. Okay. So dollar, it is showing dollar, right, in the currency format, but you want to see some rupee symbol. Okay, then how to convert? So these are the default formats when you are changing. Suppose I'll change this one to, see, currency format. It is showing some euro symbol. Okay, now you want to, this is the default it is showing as of now. But you want to convert that into some dollar symbol or Japanese currency symbol. How to change that? Again, you need to go to more number formatting options that you are going to learn here. Convert to, if it is a number, convert to 2 decimal number. How to show negative number in red color. How to show negative number in red color without negative symbol. Okay. So comma style, like how to give the commas. After 3 digits, you will give a comma. Then for every 2 digits, if it is Indian format, you will get a commas, right? At the end, after 3 digits, 1 comma. After 3 digits, then for every 2 digits, you will get a comma in comma style. So how to get that? So that kind of changes you can do using more number formatting options. Okay, currency, in currency also you can do some changes. Date, in date, suppose you have a date, that date I want to see in this format. D.M.YY format. Okay, DD 4Ms and YY format. Okay, how to do that? Time format, how to change, percentage format, text, and some special format. Okay, so see, I'll tell you. I'll take a mobile number 8686836999 is the mobile number. Okay. So when you are reading this number, maybe you will have some difficulty because continuously you have that numbers, right? So I want to see these numbers like after 5 digits, 1 space or dash I want to get. Okay. Select this range, go to format cells, and here in the special, you will see zip code is the default format. If you go for zip code +4, you will see like this. We are not doing anything manually. It will change automatically. Okay. I'll go to again special, a phone number format. This is the phone number format. Okay.
So you just right clicked on it on the column.
Format cells. I'll explain you. We are not learning about format cells now. Just I'm giving you overview. Okay. I'll start the actual session tomorrow. Okay. Fine. This is
good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Naveen here, ma'am. So currently, which version of Excel are you using, ma'am?
Sorry.
Currently, which version of Excel are you using, ma'am?
I'm using Microsoft Office 365.
Okay. Because I'm around 2011, ma'am. That's why I'm asking about.
There is no 2011, 2010. After that, 2013. Yep, please.
21 also is there, right, ma'am? 21. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, we have 2021 also. 2021 is the latest version. But if you have Office 365, okay, Office 365 will have everything. If something is added in the Microsoft company, directly that option you can see here. It is automatic update.
Okay.
Yes, latest version means anything. No need to install. See, suppose you have installed 2016, but 2019 features won't be available in 2016, correct? But if it is Office 365, each and everything will come. Okay? Just to start.
We are coming on total 8 people are coming.
Okay,
So yeah, sorry. And they said 8 o'clock it will be starting.
8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can you start again? Okay, come on. And 2 people are there in outside. They are coming.
Okay, fine. This is just the demo session. I'm
Yeah,
not.
you have to start from the starting. So you can like know like what is the driver.
Yeah, fine.
So,
Yeah. Yes. In online also we have some more guys. Just no worries. Just you are going to learn like what we are going to teach you in the Excel classes. That's it. Okay. I'm not starting any class for today.
Okay, tell us about that.
Yeah. Okay. So he's asking something. I forgot. Somebody is asking something, right? Yeah, okay. About version, yeah. Yeah, if it is Office 365, so if something is coming new, immediately that will update here. It's like a online, okay? So just try to take Office 3, one time install only one time and you can use lifetime. Okay? Fine. So yeah, how to change the number formatting. This is one more example, like select the range, okay? Go to right click on it, go to format cells and the shortcut key is Control+1, okay? And here you can use this special button to change the format or you can go to custom, there you can write your own format. Let me write, suppose 5 zeros space 5 zeros I'm giving. Okay, say okay. So it will show you like this. After 5 digits, it will give you a space and again after 5 digits. So already some options available. You can use them. If you want more, you can go to custom options. There you can create your own format. Okay. So that is about custom. So what you can do with the custom? These are the things you are going to learn. See, number of decimals, how to change the number of decimals. Okay. Some number, you have some 5,000. This you want to see like 5K. You don't want to see 5,000. So how to change it? Using, okay, 5,000. See, when you are doing data analysis, you will have lengthy numbers. You don't want to see that complete number in the chart maybe or in the pivot table. You want to change to like 1K, 2K like that. Okay, then go to format cells again. Format cells and here custom and suppose 0, /K. Say okay, it will show you 5K. Okay, these are some things you are going to learn in the custom format. How to change to 1000, to display thousands. Okay. Okay, one more example I'll tell. So if you have any positive number, suppose you want to see like increase. If it is negative number, you want to see a word like decrease. Okay. No change, then same number. Okay. So I'll tell you how to write this later. But for now, I'm not going to waste any time. Just I'll give you overview. Okay. Just to select this range, Control+1. In custom formatting, I'm writing something. Okay. Say okay. So you will see increase because it is a plus 20. And here it is decrease because it's a minus 20. There is no, no change, 0. So it will show you same value. Okay, this is one more example. Okay, what else? Leading zeros. Okay. You are working with some, suppose employee IDs. Okay. You are working with some employee IDs. These are the numbers. This number should be actually 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and 1. Employee ID will have some number of digits, right? My employee ID is 1, but before that I have 4 zeros. 4 zeros and 1 is the employee ID. But once the moment you press enter, it will give you 1 only. Okay, but you want to see all these numbers in 5-digit format. Then just give 5 zeros. So it will add automatically. Okay. Next one. So like this fraction, how to change negative numbers, how to show negative numbers, change font colors. Okay, I'll give one more example for font colors. These are the numbers. Okay, numbers and some data. Positive number and one negative number and 0 and some text I have. Okay. So in Excel, you will have 4 categories. One is positive number, and then you will have a semicolon. Negative. This is like a syntax. Okay. Negative number and then 0, and the fourth one is text. This is the sequence. In the first category indicates positive number, second category negative number, third one is 0, and fourth one is text. Okay. So now, in place of positive, I am giving when you are giving the color, you need to keep it in the square bracket. In the positive category, I am giving green. Close the bracket. Okay. I kept green. I did not mention whether it is for positive number or negative number. But default, it will take a positive number only because that is in the first category. Okay. And in place of negative, second category, I am giving some red. Okay. And third one, for 0, let's take a blue. Okay. And text is yellow. Okay. So just take this, copy this and go to this range. Format cells, shortcut key is what? Control-1. Go to custom formatting and here type this. Okay. Say okay. So in this range, wherever you have positive number, that will show you in green color, negative numbers in red, 0 in blue, and text in yellow. Okay, clear? Okay.
So one question I have. Second, 20 is not a negative number, it's a positive number.
It is negative. Minus
But
20.
here it is showing
Negative numbers, just you want to, okay. You want to see negative symbol also, then you have to give here. Okay. So in place of red, you have to give -0 so that it will show you with the negative symbol. I did not give that symbol, so it will show you just change the color without symbol. You want to see the symbol, then give -0. Okay. Third one.
If we have a number of digits like the negative negative, how can we want to change it manually each and every digit?
No, using format cells you can. You can change that. Whether you want to see negative symbol or not, that depends on your requirement.
Oh.
So you can do. Okay. But when it comes to calculation, see 10 plus -20 is -10, right? So just to select that, it will show you -10 only. Even though visibility will change, that's it. Actual value won't change. Okay. Format cells means just visibility will change. Okay. I'll take this range. Okay. Control 1. Custom. I'll paste it. So blue indicates what? 0. I'm not giving any color. I just removed it. That color I removed, but you have 2 brackets. I mean 2 semicolons. Correct? In place of 0, I did not write anything, but I closed 3rd semicolon also. Say okay. Now in this range, because you did not give any color to that, it will hide it. Okay? Can you close? Okay. Next range. Again, control 1. Custom. Suppose I will remove this color and yellow this. Can you tell me what is the output of it?
There is no number is property. It will hide.
It will hide what?
Whatever numeric is there, it is not showing.
Huh. Where I did not give color for 0 and text. So you can see only color for positive and negative. It will hide remaining. Okay. I'll go to last one. I'm giving just 3 semicolons. Positive nothing, negative nothing. I did not write anything here. I did not give any color. So now what will happen? It will hide everything. This is one kind of requirement. Okay. You want to hide some data which you don't want to show to anyone. Maybe sometimes you will do some rough calculations or you want to protect some data. Okay. Usually what people will do, we'll try to hide the sheet which we have some sensitive information, or will hide the rows or columns. Correct? Instead of that, you have format cells option. There also you can hide the data. Okay, clear? In this format cells, you are going to learn so many things, and this is very, very important concept. Right? So, yeah. Then the flow is after formatting, clipboard. Clipboard is nothing but cut, copy, paste special options. Okay. These things you are going to learn some theory about each and every option. And this is how that paste special option looks like.
Hello,
Okay.
sorry for the interrupt, Devi.
Yeah.
Actually, I have one small doubt.
Yes, tell.
Whenever go to any other company, actually they will provide one roster. Actually, for example, 20 members employees. Actually, his shift roster is actually morning 6:30 a.m. Then people 10 members afternoon shift, then people night shift. His shift roster, but actually I want to in shift roster is 6:30 a.m. Alternative color, and other color is 12:30. How to make this? I don't know actually. That's why I'm asking.
So, okay. Based on the time you want to highlight,
Yeah, exactly.
you have conditional formatting also, I'll tell you.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Based on the condition, you can format the cells. That is called conditional format. Okay. So normally you will do copy and paste, correct? Once you copy, you will paste it. Everything will come in the destination. But paste special means pasting one of the property from the source. Okay. Like I'll tell you example. See, I have some values and one formula, some formula. My intention is not to explain some formula, just one formula. Okay. So copy this and I'm pasting it. What it will paste? Everything Everything means it will paste the formula. As well as you can see the formatting also, that yellow color background, font color increased, and text color also changed, right? But what you want to paste, you just want to paste formula, but not the formatting. Okay, then you need to go for paste special options. Control Alt V is the shortcut key. Select formulas option. Say okay, it's pasting just the formula. You can see. You will see only formula, but not the background color, that font color, all that. Formatting, it's not paste. Okay. And let me take one more example. Values. I'll copy this. I'm pasting everything again. Okay. What it is pasting? It's pasting everything. Formatting, and you have some comment. It's pasting everything, right? But I'll say Control Z again. Copy. Go to destination, Control Alt V. I want to just paste values. Say okay. You will get only the value, but not the format. Okay. You have some formula here, right? I'm just doing copy, and if you paste, what will happen? It will paste format, formula, everything, right? But what do you want to paste? Just only the value. Control Alt V, paste value, say okay. It will paste only the value. Okay, like that, you can do all this. You want to paste only formats. You want to paste only comment from the source. Or you want to paste only validation. What is validation? I'll tell you one example. I have a column like mobile number. Okay, mobile number. So in Excel, there is no restriction like it should accept only mobile number. Correct? You can, even though column name is mobile, you can enter some text. You can enter any value because there is no restriction on the cell. But you can restrict the cells to hold a particular type of data. That is called data validation. Okay. Select the range. Okay. Go to data tab, data validation. And here, instead of any value, default is any value. You want to write some formula here. My formula is, what are the conditions? It should be a mobile number means what are the conditions? 10 digits.
Yes.
Okay. Before 10 digits, first of all, it should be a number. Should be a numerical value, correct? That is the first condition. Second condition, length should be equal to 10. Third condition, first character should start with at least 6. First number. See, I'm entering 10 zeros. Is it a valid number? No, right? First character, at least it should start with 6. Because the valid mobile numbers are starting from 6, 7, right? So greater than 5, anything, okay? So these are the three conditions. It should it should satisfy all 3 or any one. All 3 compulsory. You have 2 functions, AND function and OR function. And means what? A and B means what? It should have both A or B, any one. So here our requirement is what? All 3. So which function we have to use? AND. So inside the AND, keep all these 3 conditions. So if it is satisfying all the 3 conditions, then it will accept. Okay. So I selected this range. Don't think about this formula for now. Just leave everything. Okay. And of my first formula is numeric. Numeric is a formula that will check whether it is a numerical value or not. Okay. Second one is length of that cell. Is it equal to 10 or not? That is my second condition. Okay. Len is a function that will count number of characters. And third one is left of that cell value should be greater than 5. Greater than 5 means it will start from 6. And I kept this 3 in AND function. Say okay. Now is numeric. This is formula only. Why named range it is? It's not is numeric, it's is number. So I'm writing VBA formula. Is number. Okay. 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 Is number is the formula to check whether it is a number. Is numeric is in VBA. Okay. Fine. Now I'm trying to enter Excel. Previously it accepted, right? Now it won't accept. Okay. I'll enter number. It's not accepting because length is not equal to 10. Let me give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. It's a number and 10-digit number. Still it won't accept because first character is not greater than 5. So give suppose 5. No. Give 6. Then it will accept. Okay. Again, I have a mobile column in some other sheet or monthly. I'm preparing some report. In each and every report, I have a column called mobile. So I need to give this condition one more time, right? Correct? See here, no condition.
Devi, I have a question.
Yeah.
Like in the columns, how do you look for duplicates?
Yeah, we will learn in the right, remove duplicates option if you want to remove it, or you can highlight it using this conditional format. Duplicate values.
Okay.
Fine. So here no condition. So it is accepting again this, any value, right? But already I have this rule. Just copy this rule and go to destination, Control Alt V, click on validation. So what you are doing, that validation you are copying here. Now again try to enter, won't accept. Okay, you will have that all conditions. Clear? So this is called data validation. Sorry, what is that? Paste special options. If you want to paste one of the property, so you have some more things that we will learn in the paste special class. Okay. Next, cut, copy, paste, paste special. That options you are going to learn in the clipboard. And then some basic things like changing the font style, font size, bold, italic, underline, applying borders, how to change the border colors. Okay, how to change the width of the border. Thickness of the border, how to give double line border. So all that you will have in the borders. And font color, text background color. Okay, all these are some changing the angle of the text, adjusting the value to the center, left, right, the options, merging options. All this you will learn in the font and alignment options, right? Then number formatting options, and then conditional formatting. Based on the condition, how to format the cells. I'll take a small example. I have a marks column, okay? In this range, we have numbers from 1 to 100. So in this range, if the value is greater than or equal to 35, then I want to give some background color green. If it is less than 35, then red color background. That is my requirement. So you will go to individual cells. You will apply some color. Okay. Or if you know how to filter the data, you can directly filter if cell contains greater than or equal to 35. All cells you will change the colors at a time. That is one more option.
Sorting also there.
Yeah, sorting also you can do. So If you are doing manually, there is a chance of applying the wrong color. Correct? And one more thing, by mistake, I entered 44. I mean, just 4, but actually it is 44. Once you press enter, will it change the color? No, it won't change because you gave these colors manually. Correct? But if it is a conditional formatting, I'm not filling anything. You will select the range, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. If it is greater than 34, I want to apply some green color background. Okay. And one more condition, if it is less than 35, then I want to fill with some red color background. Okay. Now I'll change this to 4. I'll change this to some 36. Because you gave the conditions in the range, based on the condition, it will apply the color automatically. That is called conditional formatting. Okay. In conditional formatting, you have some option. Highlight cell rules greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains, date occurring, duplicate value, unique values. Okay. Top bottom rules. I want to highlight some top 3 items or top 5 items or bottom items you want to highlight. Above average, below average. So data bars and color scales, icon sets. So these are the options you are going to learn. This is normal conditional formatting. You have a new rule option, right? This is called dynamic conditional formatting. This is using formulas. So initially you don't know anything about the formulas, right? So you are going to learn only static conditional formatting. Means whatever options are available, you are going to apply conditional formatting only using that options. Once you are done with the formulas part, again we will come back here and going to learn the dynamic conditional formatting. Okay. So is it clear? So this is the conditional formatting. You have something like highlight the net salaries if greater than 40,000. Highlight the HRA if less than 5,000. With some data set you are going to learn how to use this greater than, less than, that options. Okay. These are, I did not apply anything yet. Okay. It looks like this. Data bars are like based on the number, it will apply color to the bar. Okay. So it will fill with color that particular cell. These are color scales and these are icon sets. Based on the value, it will show you up arrow, right arrow and down arrows. Okay. Suppose I have number range from 1 to 500. If it is less than 200, down arrow I want to show. 200 to 400, some right arrow. For above 400, up arrow. So that kind of conditions you can give. And based on this icons also, you can filter the data. Okay. That is about conditional format. Is it clear? Okay. Next one is format cells. Format as table. So in format as table, I'll take very basic example. Names, Jan, Feb. Okay. So man 1, 2. Okay. So we'll take the same data. Now, is it looking like a table? Is it looking like a table? No? Okay. I'll apply some borders. Now, is it looking like a table? Yes, little bit.
Yes.
On this data, I will apply format as table. These are the table designs available. Light colors, medium color, dark color, some table designs available. Say okay. Now this is looking like a table. Yeah. This is manually created table and this is format as table, which is already available in Excel. What did you see the difference between this table and this table?
Sorry. Filter.
Default filter, okay.
Same time colors.
Colors, formatting.
Same time, some conditions are there. The 48 showing some.
40. Which conditions?
Yeah, formula is there.
Here?
Yeah.
No, actually this is end of the table, that corner some. Okay, you can just drag it here like that so that it will apply that formatting like a dragging option. So, okay, I'll tell you what is the difference. I'm adding one more column called total. Okay. Let me write equal to sum of Jan, Fib. Jan and Fib. Say enter. Okay. Drag this formula down. Is it applying that formatting to this newly added column?
Yes.
Yes. Sure. Are you getting
No.
that borders?
No.
No borders. Not the formatting. But go to this format as table. Say total. Once the moment you press enter, it will apply the formatting to the newly added column as well as the newly added row also. Okay. And write some formula, sum of, if you see this, instead of cell references, it will take a structured reference. Okay. Structured, what is structured difference, that we'll learn later. But it's not showing like a cell, correct? Press enter, it will apply that formula to the entire column automatically. You do any change in any one of the cell, immediately that will reflect in the entire column. But if it is a normal formula, suppose I'm changing the formula like average I want to find out. Is it giving for all the cells? No, you have to drag it down. Okay. Automatic formula, automatic formatting. Okay. I'll remove that total now. Clear all. Okay, delete. I'll delete it. And here also I'm deleting. Right? I will apply chart, suppose, one example. Okay. I'm inserting one chart. NM1 to NM5, right? On this also I'm inserting one chart. Okay. Add NM6, some 10 and 20. Add NM6 here, 10 and 20. See now, are you getting that NM6 data in the normal table? But if it is a formatized table, you will get automatic, graph. Yeah. So you will get dynamic graphs, dynamic charts, dynamic pivot tables, dynamic formulas. Suppose in the formula you selected from A1 to some A10. If it is a normal table, it will take always A1 to A10 only. But if it is a format as table, whenever you add new row, automatically it will pick and give you the result. Okay, apart from that, we have some other advantages also. I'll tell you that in the format as table. Okay, clear? So instead of normal table, try to use format as table only, so that you will get all dynamically. Next one. that cell styles are related to cells, just like a table, you will have cell related styles also. Then you are going to learn how to insert new sheet, new cell, new rows, columns, deleting cells, rows, columns, sheets, how to do some formatting like changing the row height, column width, hiding and hiding rows, columns, sheets, how to rename the sheet, how to move sheet from one place to another place. Or you want to create a duplicate copy of the sheet in the different workbook, how to do that. All that you are going to learn here. Then this is about just an icon they kept in the home tab. These are formulas, but once we are done with the home tab, we are going to learn the formulas. Okay. Then filling options. How to fill top to bottom, same value. Left to right, bottom to top, right to left. How to fill it? You want to fill numbers from 1 to 10. What you will do? You will enter number 1 and number 2, and you will hold both and drag it down to get up to 10. Suppose you want 1 to 1000. Will you drag it down like that? No, you have some fill series option here, so that you will enter the start number and you will give the range, automatically it will fill the values. That is what is filling options. In filling options, you will have some more options like how to fill numerical numbers, how to fill the dates, how to fill alphanumeric data. That options you will have in the fill options. Okay. And then sorting and filters, again, you are going to learn in the data tab, that is here. Okay. And find and select, how to replace one value with other value. And some other, again, basic things you are going to learn in the find and select option. That's about the home tab. This tab will take at least 4 days to complete. Okay, only home tab will take nearly 4 days. That is the basic. So once we are done with the home tab, we are going to learn formulas. So I showed you, right? Formulas introduction. First, we'll start with the formulas introduction. How to start with the formula? How many ways we need to give the input? What are the different types of formulas we have based on the number of arguments? Okay. When you are giving manual input, how to give that? Which argument, I mean, what is this? Which operator will execute first? Did you remember in our mathematics? If you have suppose like this, if I'm asking you to give the result, what you will, execute first? Will you do 10 into 2 or 20 minus 4 or 4 by 2? How you will calculate? You have a rule, exactly. So here also you have that rule. So based on the priority, you need to execute. This is the priority. Inside the bracket, whatever you have, that you have to execute. Then this is exponential power. Then percentage, then star and division, same priority. So when you are doing this, when you are going for some interviews, they'll give you something like that. They won't give you a system. They're asking you to give what is the value, what is the output. So you have to follow the rule and calculate and give the result. Okay. So this kind of introduction first, how to execute the formulas, all that formulas introduction. Then some reference styles. What is reference style? That you will come to know once you learn this. I'll tell you, this is very, very important for formulas. You should know what is reference style and when to use which reference style. This is very, very important. And then we'll go to some date and time formulas like this. What is the formula and from which version it is available? Some introduction about that. And then you will have the formula. Okay. So I think here everything is not available. So, like something like this. Okay. So once we are done with that, you need to work on the tasks. Which task? I think you are not there. So like this. Yeah, Excel tasks. You need to work on the date and time tasks. Then next day, maybe logical functions. Logical. So you'll learn and or not, if switch, if error. So these formulas, and once you learn that, you need to practice the actual class first. Then you will come to know how to use that particular function. Then you need to go with the tasks. The tasks. Okay. Okay. So like this, we are going to learn up to lookup and reference tasks. When we look up itself, we will have so many examples. Normal, we look up with column, we look up with match function, we look up with if error, we look up and if error multiple data sources, how to get data from different sources. Okay, we look up using if function, using wildcards, using approximate match and using approximate match. And what is the disadvantages with VLOOKUP? Instead of VLOOKUP, what functions we have to use? So that all things you are going to learn in this lookup and reference category. You have some other functions also. I'm giving you just one of the function, okay? So once we are done with this formulas part, I'll come back to home tab again. We are pending with dynamic conditional formatting, right? Using formulas. So you're going to learn that part. Then one by one tab like insert tab, pivot tables, charts, all the options. Like what is spark line, slicer, timeline. Okay, I'll tell you one example for this also. What this slicer is available from 2010. Okay, so I will take suppose month and sales. Jan, Feb, year. Okay. Insert slicer on it on year and month. Okay. So I want to see this table only for 2024. Okay. Click on 2024. It will give you only the data. 2025. Both the years only Jan data. Only Feb data. Only 2024 Jan data I want. It's like a filter. Okay. That slicer is available from 2010 Excel. Okay. Timeline also like a filter that works only for date related field. Okay. So year wise you can filter, year and month wise, year and quarter wise, year and date wise, year, month and date wise. So that kind of filters you can apply. Timeline is only purely related to date and time field. Okay. So that you are going to learn in the pivot table session. Okay. So in insert tab, you will have pivot tables and inserting some picture, shapes, icons, some basic things, and the charts. So what are the charts you are going to learn? Will take, suppose, first I'll explain charts terminology. What is a chart? What is this wildlife? What are these lines? What is this color one, the light color one? I mean the terminology. What is chart area? What is plot area? How to do the formatting? How to add this number? How to format that? How to add these numbers? How to format that? How to change the position of it? Only formatting related things I'll explain you with some basic chart. Then you are going to learn different kinds of charts, like some important charts like column chart, bar chart, okay, line chart, area chart, okay, some pie chart, donut chart, combo chart, combinations, okay, waterfall chart, I mean some map chart, funnel chart. This is also map chart. When to use which chart for particular kind of data, which chart we have to choose, that you are going to learn. Okay, you have other charts also, but in real time we don't use all that. Maximum these are the charts we are going to use in real time. You are going to learn these charts and then dynamic charts. Like using format as table, you are creating a dynamic chart. I just showed you one example, right? Using formulas, how to create one dynamic chart. Like if you see here, month June, month Feb, see, Feb chart it is creating. Yeah. How to create that chart using named range. What is that named range? I'll tell you later. Okay. And using formulas. 2014. I'm selecting 2011. See, chart will change automatically. This is using formula. So how to create a chart, a dynamic chart using formula. So these are the things you are going to learn in the charts concepts. Okay. And pivot tables, anyways, like what is, okay. I'm not saving this. Suppose if I take a pivot table. First of all, what is pivot table? What you need to know before creating any pivot table. See, what do you want to do with the data analysis? First of all, what is data analysis? Visualization. Why do you want to create the report, any report? I'm showing you this data. This is the orders data. Okay. Some sales data. Can you tell me in which region we have more sales and in which region you have less sales? With the data, how can we understand? Correct? We can understand only if we have some colors or pictures, that kind, right? So then we can understand it easily, right? So, okay. You will create a chart, suppose, okay. Why you are creating that? You understood like in east region we have more sales. What do you do with that? Sorry?
Take necessary actions to implement.
Take necessary actions to take. I mean, I'm a CEO of the company. Assume like I'm a CEO of the company. We want to remove some 10 employees from the company. That is my, I want to remove some 10 employees. Will you remove randomly? No, you have to do some analysis, right? What is that analysis? I'm creating a report. Region-wise report I'm taking. So I came to know in South region we have less sales. Okay. In which month you have less sales? In some particular month. I should have that report in particular month, in particular year. Why you have less sales in that particular month? Only in that region. Correct? Are you getting less profit? Are you getting loss on a particular product? Why are you selling that product if you are getting a loss? Right? So you will analyze this data like this. You will check granularity, like step by step. You will go in detail. Then you will take some decisions. Or you don't want to take the decision. You want to implement something to get the profit. Correct? To rectify the mistake, we will analyze the data. Or you are a data analyst, you want to give some feedback based on this data to your higher management. Right? Based on the data. This is the sales data. Maybe you will analyze data with, you will analyze employees data, or HR data, or hospital data, students data. Yes or no? So based on the data set, first of all, you need to understand what kind of report you want to create. With that report, what decision you want to take. Is it clear? That is called analysis. So to create that analysis, we use pivot tables, charts, or formulas. Some you will create directly with the pivot tables and charts. For some data sets, you need to create some formulas to create the reports. We need to use formulas to create the reports. Okay, one example, you see in this example, with this data, you are going to learn initially how to create a pivot table. Row wise, this is column wise. Okay, how to apply filters, how to default, it will give you some how to change to average or count or some other formula, how to remove or add, how to use this plus or minus buttons, how to remove that, hide row label and column label, how to create your own field in the pivot table itself without changing the data. Okay, how to create the chart with the pivot table, applying slicers based on the report, based on the slicer, the report will change automatically, right? Slicers, this is called a timeline, okay? This is called timeline. So I'm because there are already pivot table, okay, fine. See, I'm giving only year. If you see, it will show you only years. You want to see report for 2014. Maybe timeline is not applied. Year and month. So it will show you like year and quarter. So based on the selection, automatically the report will generate. That is timeline. Okay, how to use the timeline. Filter, I created a slicer. That slicer is working only for one chart, but it should work for some set of charts. Only one slicer. How to give the connection, report connection. Grouping, ungrouping. Okay, I will ungroup it. Okay, fine. So you will have 1 to 100 numbers. You want to see 1 to 10 in one category, 11 to 20, that is called grouping. This is already grouped, but I'll show you that. Somehow it is not coming. Okay. So initial things like what are the options available in the pivot tables and some formatting options related to that pivot table, all that you are going to learn in the pivot. Okay. And then in the these are the insert tabs, some options are available like how to give the hyperlinks, comments, how to insert the object, signature line, text box, header, footer. So these are the things you are going to learn in the insert tab. Then page layout tab. Page layout tab is for printing options. You want to print your document. You want to change some settings when you are taking the printout. Left side some border, right side border. Or I have a table report. That header is coming only in the first page, but the same header I want to see in all the pages. Okay. Or you want to fit that data in the, I have 10 columns, but only 9 columns are coming in the page. That 10th column also I want to fit in this space. How to do that? Portrait, landscape, vertically, horizontally. Where do you want to take the printout? Is it in the A4 size paper, A3 size paper, that? Or you have 20 records, 10 records I want to get in one page. From 11th record onwards, I want to send to next page. So that changes how to do that. You are going to learn in the page layout. Okay. Then formulas, already you learned all the formulas. Initially after home tab, you will learn formulas, right? But you will have some more options like name manager. Name manager is nothing but giving some own name to particular range. You have A1 to A10, but you want to give your own name. With that, you can do some miracles like using name manager. Okay. So what that you can do, you can create a dynamic pivot tables, dynamic charts, dynamic formulas. So dynamic data validations. I'll tell you that what are the things you can do that you are going to learn in the formulas part. And some formula execution related options. Okay. Getting errors and step-by-step execution of formula. So executing formula manually, automatically, partially, that things you are going to learn in the formulas. Then data tab is related to how to get data from external applications. You have data in SQL Server, how to get it. You have data in website, or you have data in Notepad. People are working with SQL Server. They don't want to get data into Excel. We want to create report in Excel file, but the data is available in SQL Server. Okay, you will give a connection between Excel and SQL. Whether you want to import the data, you can do that, or without importing the data, just you can give a connection and create the report from Excel itself. Or you want to give connection from Excel to website. You have a table in website, you want to give the connection. Just you can set the time to refresh it automatically, or you can refresh it manually. So that things you are going to learn here. These are get and transform data, and queries and connections are related to the same. From where you can get the data, you have so many options. You are going to learn some one database, notepad file, and one website. Okay. And then sorting options, sorting A to Z, Z to A, but level by sorting you have advanced level. Filters, advanced filter option. Okay. Example, advanced filter means you have 1000 values in the filter. Out of 1000, you want to filter some 27 values. Okay. Out of 1000, how will you check one by one? Selecting the option is difficult or not? But in advanced filter option, you can keep all your values at one place. You will select that condition and you can filter the data automatically. Whenever the condition is satisfied, given the list, it will filter. So that advanced filter option. Text to columns. I hope you know. Okay, one example. Okay. So text to columns. You have this data. Okay, first name, middle name, full name you have. First name in one column, middle name in one column, and last name in one column. We'll go to text to columns. Text to columns. Delimited next. Based on space, I want to split the data. Next, and where do you want to get the output? This is how. Text to column. You should have some separator. Based on that, it will split the data into multiple columns. Okay. Or you have flash fill option. This flash fill option is available from 2013. What is this? I'm typing manually Mahendra. Say Control E, automatically it will fill the values. It will try to understand the pattern which you are looking based on the first value you entered, and the same pattern it will apply to remaining values. Okay. Here, suppose I have info@excelytics.in. Okay. I'm just typing info. What is my requirement? Before whatever we have, that username I want to get it. Control E. Okay. Next, data validations, right? I just showed you an example for mobile number. Giving conditions, right? So when you're giving the conditions, you can give like this own error messages. See, previously, it is giving some Excel related error message, but you can give your own error message when you are entering the wrong value. So mobile number, please enter valid mobile number simply. Okay. So there in the styles, you have multiple options: warning style, stop style, 101. This is like this. Yes or no options, and with different icon. You have a information style, just OK button, and with different icon. Okay. So, and drop down, how to give the drop down dynamically using the formulas, using the range. If it is a format as table, then you will get automatically. You have Kakinada up to Kakinada. I'll add suppose Karimnagar. Okay, Karimnagar. See, you will get Karimnagar also automatically. How to get the drop downs? Dependent drop down. Based on one drop down, how to populate the second drop down. Example, you have a state column. When you are selecting a state, particular state, that second drop down should show me relevant cities. Right? In this example, I am selecting non-veg. Second drop down will show you only non-veg items. Yeah. Select veg. Veg. Second will show you only veg related items. This is called dependent drop. How to get that? And some more data validation option using formulas. How to get data from multiple sheets to single sheet, data consolidation. Some what if analysis. What is what if analysis? And in this we have more 3 options. So that 3 options we are going to learn, and then subtotals. Creating a subtotal. It's not there here. Yeah, subtotal like this. You have a data, but you want to create a total at the bottom. So how to do that? That you're going to learn in the data tab. And this is important tab, data tab. And then review tab, this is related to protection options. How to protect the sheet. See, protect sheet, protect workbook, allow edit ranges. You want to give permission to a particular range, but they should not touch anything else. Okay, allow edit ranges. Hide formulas. You wrote some formula, you don't want to show that formula to anyone. You want to hide it. Okay, or lock the cells. They should not be even select this cell also like this. See, I'm able to select the cell. You want to lock the cell. How to lock it? And protect while opening the workbook. When you are opening the workbook itself, it should ask me some password. So that things you are going to learn in the protect tab. I mean review tab. And the final one is view tab. Just this is for view purpose. Normal view, page layout view, page break preview. And see, suppose you want to hide something, grid lines you don't want to see, formula bar you don't want to see. Okay, how to compare 2 workbooks at a time. Yeah, hiding workbook. Some view related options you are going to learn in the view tab. Finally, a dashboard using sales data. One dashboard using sales data. The same sales data. See something like this. See 2009. Oh, sorry. In 2009, in which region you are getting highest profit and in which region you are getting less profit. Okay. For which product you are getting highest profit. Okay. By segment, like if it is in furniture, small business or consumer or home appliances, for which customer segment you are getting how much profit, and based on the month you want to see, based on the subcategory, so that you will get some idea like in detail. This is how we create the dashboard. Okay, you are a manager, then you want to see only your report. You select that. In 2009, Chris manager want to see that particular person report. Okay, or one more dashboard like a attendance tracker using formulas. Something like this. 2025 January. So you have only January dates here. Correct? Now I'm selecting February. It is automatic. Okay. Now you have February dates. Automatically the dates will come. Okay. What we have some formulas. We have some conditional formatting here. And we are calculating how many paid leaves, how many sick leaves, absent and holidays. Okay. By employee wise in that complete month, or they want to see a particular date, all the employees information. So suppose I selected here pay, and what is that? Paid leave and sick leave, absent. Okay, again paid leave. See, the numbers will add automatically. You will get the report. How to create that, and conditional formattings, how to give and how to use these formulas, and how to get the dates automatically. All that things you're going to learn. This is a small attendance tracker you can create. Okay, that's about the Excel classes. That's what the flow, and that's what you're going to learn. Any questions? Very heavy. Maybe I went little fast because just I want to show you what you're going to learn, but in detail, each and every step you are going to learn in our actual sessions. Okay. So tomorrow we'll start with data types and number related data, or no, initially one more thing also. Some basic things, right? This one, what about Excel and version differences. Okay, UI, and then I'll go for data types. Yeah, data types also will come tomorrow. Data types and number format, both. This is important concept. Okay, that's our tomorrow session. Any questions?
Hello, Devi, any recording sessions is available?
Yes. After the class, we will send you that recorded session also. If
Okay.
sometimes
I mean, how many sessions are there in total complete?
between 18 to 20, sometimes it will finish in 19 classes, sometimes it will take 20 classes.
Okay, but 20 we
Yes.
will close it.
Yeah.
Well,
So now we
all
are
topics?
starting in 12th, right? Maybe by 12th March, excluding Saturdays and Sundays, in 1 month from now. It will take 1 month.
Okay. How much price is this?
Which one? Price?
Price, money.
No, please, you can check with front office guys. Hope you have that number, this number.
Sure.
You can call, they'll let you know.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. And here we will upload. First, initially, we will upload the complete package in the drive. We will provide you access for this drive. So
Okay.
daily classes, whatever you are learning, daily I'll also upload. So
Today, please can share.
Sorry?
Today's session, please can share you recording session.
Yeah.
Today's session.
So today's one, yes, you will get. You will get this link also. So after the class, I'll upload the regular class, whatever happened in the class, we will upload in the drive. And that class recorded video also we will share in the WhatsApp group. We will add your numbers in the group, right? So we will send you that link also. If sometime, if you are not able to come, if you are not able to attend, you can go through that link.
Sure, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Devi, I have a question.
Yes.
For the classes, can we do sometimes in person and sometimes online?
Yeah. See,
Okay.
once you join, either you can come for online or offline, anything is fine.
Okay.
Yes.
And
today
it's our choice.
you
It's our
are
choice,
going
right?
to offline. Someday, if you are not able to come, you can take that link. That link will be available in the group. You can attend through online.
Okay.
Online people come to offline. Offline people can go to online. Anything is fine.
Okay. And today's session, we don't have to refer, right? Because it's a demo session and it was.
This is a demo session, nothing to practice. Just if you want to see nothing we have, right? I just randomly showed you something. So there is no file to upload in the drive. Just you will have the demo video. That link we will share in the group. So you will get that. Okay. Any other questions?
Thank you.
Expecting anything else?
Daily 1.5 hour class?
1.5 hour class, yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much for your.
Yeah, thank you. If you don't have any questions, you can drop the calls. Thanks, everyone.
Sure. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Devi. Thank you. Bye.
You have any queries?
And whatever the video you're gonna upload in the group WhatsApp group, and it's the lifetime access, right?
No, not lifetime access. I think they'll give you access for 6 months. Yeah.
Only 6 months.
Yeah.
Then after that, if we have any doubt, then we can't say everything.
You can't because see every day we have so many sessions, right?
Yeah, yeah.
We'll have multiple sessions and multiple batches.
But there is,
So
the thing is there, like we can say it,
and see that is a problem, right? Suppose I mean this we are not saying you will send to anyone.
no,
We will share the file, maybe you will send to other people's, right? So that's why that access only you will have it. There is no
you
option.
can say, right?
No, you can't save. Just you can watch for 6 months. This will take 1 month. 6 months time we are
So
provided.
that if you're walking something, then if you have doubt, you can't ask you, right?
You can
can't
come
go-
here. We are here to help you lifetime.
I know, but if you are middle of something like,
Mm.
we can't, that.
Yeah,
we can't
YouTube access. Yeah, YouTube access you don't have. Yeah, after this classes, we will remove your badge, right? After 6 months or sometimes we will remove this badge. So then we will add you in the main group. There you can ask your queries. We'll have one more group.
Yeah, they can, solution, they have solution, whatever your question, we can ask like.
Yes,
Yes,
at
yes.
any time, yes. At any time, you will have, see, starting from the institute, whoever joined, everyone is in the groups. We will have some main groups. So everything we will post in that groups.
The thing is, before we join any classroom, like they said to us, like they promised us, yeah, we're gonna provide you anything, everything, yeah, whatever you can ask.
Mm.
But after the complete of the courses, they are not like listening to class.
No, whatever I said, everything. See, you can ask the previous students also. How do you come to know about this?
Oh, you just search in the internet and.
Okay.
I
So here people will get only from the references mostly.
Yeah.
Okay.
have no idea, but search in the internet.
So 6 months you will have the validity. And here our trainers will help you at any time. You can come for any doubt. Not like a project kind of thing,
Mhm.
which is taking some 3 or 4 hours of time. You can come and we can guide you like how you can do that project. Or if it is a big project, like we need to spend more time, then we are charging hourly basis. If it is a project kind of. If it is like a help, like it is taking some half an hour to 1 hour time, then we can help you to like complete that project. Okay. So doubts you can come at any time in the lifetime.
But in the call, we can't ask them.
Sorry.
If we.
In the
we
call.
want to hear-
If it is a small doubt, you can ask in the
Yeah.
call also, right? If we are not able to explain without seeing the data set, then you have to come to institute.
And do you have any like candidates options like if you are middle of something,
Mm.
so you want to change it and it's showing something here, like you can access from the system, right? For the any text and we can able to.
Which one? I did not.
Any text.
Um,
You can still share it, right?
Ah,
You can access my system, like you can.
Yes, you can share the screen while the classes are going on. They can share the online guys. They can share the screen and ask their doubts.
So I'm talking about like if I'm doing something job
Hmm.
and anything is there, if I gonna error or something and I want to rectify this.
Yeah, you
So
can.
that last time I shared my like the system and you can rectify this mistake, right?
I need to connect with the call.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So if it is a email, you can take the video and post in the group so that if it is a normal one, we
Yeah.
can directly rectify there itself. So in the group, you can post that query directly, or if it is a little big one, just take the video and post like this is what is happening, then you will follow. Because
They-
here people are working people only. At the immediately at the same time, we won't be available maybe, right? So weekends we will be available and the weekdays only morning 7 to 9 we will be available here. Okay, and evening sessions we have. Daytime, some permanent trainers, some 1 or 2 people are available, only they people will be available. That's why
They-
when you are working, maybe we may not be available because we will also be in the company. That's it.
Devi, I have
Yeah.
a question. How much do you charge, like, if we need, like, as needed for work related? Like, say you have to create a report at your workplace.
That
How
is
much do you?
monthly. sorry, hourly basis. Can you check
Oh.
with the front office? I'm not
Okay.
sure about the numbers, but just please check with the front office guys.
Sure, thank you.
Okay, yeah.
And after the completion of the courses, like, is there any like exam?
Placement assistance we are providing.
Asking if any exam is there, like we have to take.
Yeah, here we will provide you without conducting any exam, some what is that? Program Excel completion, course completion certificate from our institute. Okay, one more, we are authorized in test center for Microsoft. MS Office authorized test center. Okay, so you can write the exam and you will get certificate from Microsoft itself. Directly. Yes, for certification you need to pay to Microsoft directly.
For the end of the courses, you guys are providing us like some placements.
Placement assistance, yes. Placement, but it's not guaranteed.
Yeah.
So here all are working people most of the times, okay? So whenever anyone have any requirement, they'll let us know. So we will post in the group where we have placement and how much experience is required and this is the salary. So all that we will post in the group. Just if that suits for you, you need to send your resume and we will forward that. You need to crack the interview. We will help you to crack the interview.
And is there any textbook is there to?
No textbook, nothing. If you go through textbook, it will be like this and all that is not required. You know, when they join for the course, some people will buy the textbook immediately. It's not required. Don't do that. Okay. So there you will have so many things. All that we don't do in real time. Okay. Whatever we are learning, that is more than enough. Any other questions? If nothing, you can leave. If you have any queries related to that payments, all that you can check with the front office. Okay? Yeah. Thanks,
Thank you.
everyone.
Bye.